One station back here.
Imagine, if you would, for a minute, buying a brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max, an iPad Pro, or even a Nintendo Switch 2, and you're unboxing it, and you commit one of the biggest fails of your life, and everything goes wrong. Today, we're gonna see some of those unboxing fails. I don't know why you would be unboxing a brand new rim on the roof of a building. Please help me out with that. And then why you do it over top of a vehicle that you're just gonna drop the rim onto and shatter the window. This seems like a absolute epic fail of epic proportions by an epic idiot. And if it isn't, then they set this video up pretty well.
Oh no. Oh my god. I
say that with a straight face. Yeah, you get it.
Three. And ready, and set, and go. Go. We've got 4. Oh my god! Where did you come from?
Open it!
And then it's in your Switch!
Look how many games.
Oh, okay, that's what you're
That's just wrong, giving the kid a fake Nintendo Switch. I keep seeing people doing these fake packages for kids' birthdays and Christmases and stuff. Man, just give the kid the gift and let him go enjoy life.
Esa. Au. Ve, si le pasó algo al televisor.
You gotta handle with care. Why you recording? You want it? She did my hair and she wanted an Apple Watch.
Careful. This is a real
Madison! Are you kidding me?
It just came out.
Oh my god! She's had it 10 seconds.
It just came out when I did it though.
Madison, you have to be careful.
I mean, she was bang, bang, bang. What did she think was gonna happen? Good grief. Some of these kids, man, some of these people, that was like a teenager. She should know better. I've never bought one of these self-inflating mattresses. I just have bought regular mattresses from the store and had them delivered. I can't imagine opening this up and getting pow right in the face. Is the force really that bad? Has anybody in the comment section read these mattresses and actually purchased one and unboxed it and experienced this? Does anyone own one that can leave us a comment in the comment section telling us exactly how powerful they really are?
One station back here.
Did you actually give me a phone?
It's so pretty and pink. I love. Oh.
Oh no.
Muéstrale. ¡Ay!
Esta belleza.
Muéstralo a la cámara.
I'm literally so excited.
Wow, you're opening a $1,000, $1,100, $1,200 phone that we all have. You know, you're opening it up, your greatest thing. Everyone's glued to it. You got to have it every day. You work on it, you play on it, you do whatever. And you're just going to go, whoop, yay, I dropped my phone, hooray, right? I know, my phone doesn't have a case on it right now. My phone normally has a battery case. I was just charging the battery. Don't worry, guys. If you've ever watched my channel, you know that I keep my phone in a battery case just so that I can charge my phone up. That's what I do. Don't worry, I have the case charging so that I have the phone out of it. It's safe. I'm not going to throw it on the ground and break my iPhone 16 Pro here. I don't know how these people do it. Just open it with a little bit of care, y'all. A little bit of care.
It requires me to get so
Ah! Oh my God! Oh.
No.
And I'll be testing.
Oh, Daisy.
Would you believe me if I told you I received not one, not two, but 3 broken vases from Anthropology? Third time's the charm, right? Let's see how bad this one is, even though I can tell it is probably worse than the first 2. This tape is not even secure. Voila. What's most frustrating is when I reached back out to their customer support after receiving the second damaged vase, I specifically asked if it's possible for them to prepare this extra carefully to make sure it wouldn't get broken if I requested a 3rd package. This is what the extra protection looks like, I guess. Here is vase number 3. I do have to say Anthropology's customer service has been amazing in the sense that they are responding super rapidly. They made note of the extra protection to provide at their warehouse for the security of the package. Clearly that message was a bit lost, but I guess I have to take the L with this one, which is really frustrating because I'm the type of person that's very particular with things that I buy. So when I find something that I really want, that is the only thing I want. There is no other replacement in my mind for this vase, and I guess we were just not meant to be in the end. Here they are, 3 vases in all of their damaged glory.
This is an Anthropology fail, not an L on her part. She should just go ahead and get the refund and find it in the store, or find it somewhere that she can buy it locally. With that said, if you're gonna ship an item like that as Anthropology, you need to have the styrofoam inserts that it's set in, and then wrap that and then set it, and it won't get broke. The fact that they don't know how to ship a vase when they sell vases is pretty shocking and pretty disgustingly pathetic in my opinion. But there you go. That's a 3 for 3 failed unboxing, no fault of her own. All right, hopefully you enjoyed some of these unboxings, some of these fails, some of these funny and downright hilarious, destructive video clips. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please, subscribe to the channel and watch my future videos. It really helps me. I really appreciate it. And you can share it on your social media so other people can find it as well. I have long form, I have short form, and I have a second channel with dash cam and body cam and illegal parking, road rage, you name it, all down below in that description box. So you can click that link and go check out my second channel as well. Almost to 20,000 subscribers. Can't wait to hit that. I'll do a giveaway for you guys supporting me over there as well. Thank you so much, and as always, have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see everyone next time.